Hello, my name is Noel Conlon. I'm an electrical engineer, and I would like to show you how macros can be used to increase productivity in the panel shop. I'm using Eplan here. On the screen is the control section of a particular starter filter feed pump 2. Nothing in this will change as a general rule on the size. I've deliberately kept anything size related out of this page. The power page, however, is a different matter. Most things will change on this page depending on the power selected. The power for the motor in this case, it's 11 kilowatt motor, so the MPCB, motor protection circuit breaker, is of a particular size and type. These wires from the buzz bar are a certain size and type, as are these, and the variable speed drive itself will be a particular model with a particular power size. Contactor here will be different for different sizes, and so it can be useful to be able to draw in a single schematic drawing which allows for adjustment of the size of the motor. And suitable schematics can be prepared in an environment such as this and then placed into a macro project, which I will describe in the next video. It's easy to prepare if you prepare carefully your macros so that you have taken into account every cable that's likely to be used, places where they are, joint boxes, and then you can make variations to use different devices. This little device here is a seal monitor for a flight pump. I designed up this little box here myself, the graphic I mean. I was able to download this one from Eplan's data portal, and I'll show you how that's used. It's very useful. If I imagine that I didn't have this thermistor sensor here, just delete it. I save the part number so I can find it on the database, on the online database, the data portal. There it is. I can import it here. Okay. Manufactured by Seal and prepared for this type of work. I've inserted one here, and if I double click I can see that I've got my part number, various other pieces of data, and in fact quite a bit not visible here, but which can be caused to appear on the schematic and which will also appear on the parts list. The data portal can save a great deal of work because most of it will have been done by the manufacturer or by Eplan. We can create a macro for this section of the schematic here by deciding every part that will change with size and designing it up accordingly. In video 2 I will show how we do that using the macro project.